So we come to the conclusion that unless we change the mindset of our community, unless we raise the awareness of our community, that this cascading negative effects will continue unless they... So we started formula. Shabab cannot be, or terrorists anywhere they are, cannot be defeated militarily only. Military is a very important component for their defeat. But in the case of Somalia, we decided there are two other important factors or variables that has to be added into the equation, which is ideological war. Shabab we have in Somalia is a faith-based organization. That's what they claim, hiding themselves in Islam, which is not true. So we decided to establish a campaign that we make our people understand these are not, what they are propagating is not Islam and has nothing to do with Islam. They are a group of mafia covering themselves with a blanket of Islam. So the responsibility of the state and the elite group was to uncover this so that the people can see these are not. So that's one area that we started and organized the community. The other way was economic. They were collecting a huge amount of revenue from the local people. Closing those tabs of the financial resources was another target. So this three-front war is what's going on in Somalia. And so far, for the last 5 months, what we are receiving is a success. It's not yet complete, but it's a success that motivated the people, and it has created a cascading effect and sense among the society. Those who are not liberated yet, even they are saying now, you see, that party is there and they have liberated themselves. We have to do the same. So this is what is more important now, mobilizing the society. And I have been telling my colleagues today that engaging with the society and the community is what makes the terrorists like a fish that run out of water. They cannot exist without the community.